In this module, we are going to talk about anti globalization movements. The term anti globalization is often defined as a social movement. However, many consider it to be an umbrella term that is comprised of many separate social movements. The idea of anti globalization was mainly developed in the late 20th century. The major objective is to oppose globalization forces because they used to monopolize more and more economic resources of the developing world. Anti globalization aims to protect global population. They also emphasize on the protection of environment. They argue that globalization has negative effects on the ecosystem. It is characterized by the opposing interpretations of the globalization processes. It presents alternate visions of globalization. To protect the environment and climate change, it is supposed that this process of globalization is in fact damaging the whole global society. Anti globalization movements are heterogeneous in nature. The human rights movement focuses on the following areas: exploitation of labor, long working hours in sweatshops, child labor, low wages. So these are the major factors. Anti-globalization movement of ecological sustainability focuses on following issues: role of developed countries in environmental degradation, increased population due to more use of transportation. They aim to protect natural resources. We all know that America and China are emitting more carbon dioxide of the world, respectively. Other anti globalization movements focus on diversity, expansion of Americanization, Western dominance. They demand for the preservation of indigenous cultures. They argue that diverse cultures should be promoted all around the world instead of imposing the culture of hegemon on other nations. Yes, through globalization process, developing world can introduce its culture at international level.